In the future, if your children want to eat snacks, don't go out and buy them. As long as you have flour and eggs at home, you can make this easily. There's no complicated seasoning and no need for any special skills. Just follow my steps. It's really fragrant and crispy, even better than store-bought. First, crack 2 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Add 180 grams of white sugar, 50 grams of cooking oil, and 120 grams of water. Use chopsticks to stir everything together in one direction until well combined. Then add 500 grams of flour and 3 grams of baking powder. Continue stirring until a dough forms. Fold and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic, just like you see in the video. Take a small piece of dough and roll it into a ball. You can decide the size according to your preference. Prepare a plate and pour 1,000 pieces of white sesame seeds onto it. Dip each dough ball in a little water, then roll it in the sesame seeds to coat it. After coating, press gently with your hands to make the sesame stick better. Repeat this process with all the dough balls. Place them in a bowl and set aside. Prepare a small bowl and crack 3 eggs into it. Beat them with chopsticks and set aside. It's not easy to make videos, but I share a simple home-cooked meal every day. If this helps you, please give it a like and share. Thank you very much. Pour a generous amount of cooking oil into a pan. Heat the oil to about 50% hot. Carefully place the sesame-covered dough balls into the pan one by one. Do not touch them right away. They will float on their own after 1 to 2 minutes. Fry slowly over low heat. The heat should not be too high, or the outside will burn while the inside remains uncooked. Once they float, gently turn them with chopsticks to ensure even cooking. You'll see them puff up and slowly open their mouths. It looks beautiful and appetizing. Fry until the surface is golden brown and crispy, then take them out of the oil. And that's it. A delicious snack is ready. Every New Year, my family makes this treat. The kids love it. Sweet and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Truly delicious. The recipe is simple, clean, and hygienic. It has no additives, so you can confidently let your kids enjoy it. The cost? Just 2 yuan for a big batch. Save this recipe and try it at home. Click on subscribe button to see more home-cooked food videos. See you next time.